Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we have to discuss a small topic, worshipping nature. So we know children, people worship nature during the harvest festival. So we studied some of the harvest festival in India. Yes, which are the harvest festival? Yes, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, then Kerala. Which is the harvest festival? Onam in Kerala, Bihu in Assam and Baisakhi in Punjab. So we studied some of the harvest festivals. So harvest festivals are celebrating for the good harvesting of crops we studied. Then we discussed some of the festivals like Ugadi and Ugadi. It is celebrated by the people of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for welcoming their new year. Then Holi is celebrated by North Indians. They celebrate these festivals for welcoming spring season. So we studied many of the festivals we discussed here. So all these festivals are celebrating for some purpose. Some festivals are for good harvesting of crops. Some festivals are seasonal festivals for welcoming some season, isn't it? Then some festivals are religious festivals, isn't it? Then some festivals we celebrate some great people's birthday, we celebrate as festivals. So we studied different festivals. All these festivals teach us what, children? Yes, most of the festivals are teaching us good success of good over evil. And we know most of the festivals are teaching us how we should be with others, isn't it? So most of the festivals are telling about to be good with others, how to respect our nature. This all we can learn from the festivals. Okay, how we will live peacefully with our friends, relatives, and isn't it? So all those things we are studying from festivals. Apart from these festivals, we have some national festivals also, right? Yes, which are the national festivals? Yes, national festivals are, yes, national festivals. National festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are our national festivals. Yes, Gandhi Jayanti. So Independence Day, we know when is Independence Day celebrated? Yes, 1947, August 15. India got freedom from British rule. So that day is celebrated as Independence Day. So every August 15 we celebrate Independence Day. Then Republic Day 1950. 1950 January 26 is celebrated as Republic Day. On this day our country become republic. Our country become republic means the constitution of India came into existence on that day. Okay, that day is 26 January 1950. So we consider that day as Republic Day. Okay. Then next it is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi born on 1869 October 2. That day we celebrate as Gandhi Jayanti. So all these three festivals are considered as national festival. Why we call this as national festivals? Yes, it is because of these festivals are celebrated by all over Indians, all over the country. Okay, it is not about any particular region. It is all about our country. Okay, so why it is called national festivals? These are called national festivals because these festivals are celebrated by all over our country. Okay, it is not about any particular region or religion. So it is called national festival. This much enough for today's class. Okay, so this much only we have to study in today's class. So everybody take your workbook. Yes, page number 27, worshipping gods and nature. So here we can see some of the sentences. What we have to do, read the sentences festivals in each box. Write which show respect to gods or religion and which shows respect to nature or seasons. That we have to write. So first question it is Bihu. People in Assam celebrate this festival for good crops. So it shows what, children? Yes, it shows respect to nature. So we already studied Bihu is a harvest festival. So harvest festival shows respect to nature. So you have to write here shows respect to nature. Then B. Buddha Purnima. Followers of Buddha celebrate this festival as his birthday. So what we can give the answer there? Yes, it shows respect towards religion or God. You can write. It shows the respect to God or religion. Third one, Ugadi. People in Andhra Pradesh celebrate New Year on this day. So what we can give there? It shows respect to season. Okay, it shows respect to season. Then D, Janmashtami. Hindus celebrate this festival as birthday of Lord Krishna. So it shows what, children? Shows respect to God. Shows respect to God. E. Mahavir Jayanti. Followers of Mahavira celebrate this festival as his birthday. So Mahavir Jayanti. Followers of Mahavira celebrate this festival as his birthday. So it shows respect to God or religion. Then F. Holi. Hindus from North India splash colors on this day to welcome the spring season. So what it shows? It shows respect to season. Okay. Then second question, write another way in which we can show respect to nature besides celebrating harvest festival. Besides celebrating harvest festival, how can we show our respect towards nature? Yes, we can. We should not cut trees. Instead of that, what we can do? We can plant more trees. And we should not dirty the rivers. We should not throw waste here and waste in our surroundings. Like that way, any answers you can give. Okay, you can write your own answers for that question. So how can we give the answer? We show our respect to nature by planting trees instead of cutting them down. Okay, or we should not pollute river water. So like that way you can give the answer. Now S for page number 28. A festival in school. Discuss in groups and choose a festival that you would like to celebrate in school and fill in the boxes. So you can write any festival you can celebrate from school. So you can write Teachers' Day, Children's Day, okay, Onam, or any festival's name you can write here. Then what would you do to celebrate in what would you like to celebrate in school and why? So you can write Children's Day because it is our festival. Then what will you eat? Yes, I will eat ice cream, sweets. Okay, so you can write your own answers for that. What you will wear? Yes, I will wear very colorful clothes on that day. Okay, or salwar, anything you can write. What you like to wear on this day. What kind of things will you do during the festival? Yes, we will conduct different kinds of programs in the school. I will play with my friends. So like that way you can write any answer. Then second question, write two things that you learn from celebrating festivals. So most of the festivals are tells that the success of good over evil. So we can write one point is that, okay, most festivals tell us that good wins over evil. Okay, so one point we can write that most festivals tell us that good wins over evil. Okay, then second one what we can give to have a good relations. Most of the festivals tell us to have a good relation with everyone. So that like that way also we can give the answer. Then we can say most of the some of the festivals tell us how to respect nature. Okay, so like that way you can give your own answers also. So how can we give the answer? Most festivals tell us that good over success of good wins over evil. Okay, most festivals tell us that good wins over evil. Then most festivals tell us to have a good relations with everyone. Okay, then third one, why are national festivals like Republic Day celebrated by all Indians? Yes, it is a national festival because it is a national festival. It is celebrated by all over Indians, not any particular region. Okay, so how can we give the answer? Because it is celebrated all over the country. They are about our country, not about any particular region. Okay, so this is the way you can give the answers. Let us discuss practice question 6. Your friend wants to know how you celebrate your festival. How will you describe it? Your own answer need to give. How can you describe it? Yes, I would like to celebrate Christmas. On this day I will go to mosque. I will sing Christmas carols. I will wish each other Merry Christmas. I will decorate my house by Christmas tree. So like that way you can write your own answer. Describe the rituals for Guru Purab and Christmas. On the day of Guru Purab, the people go to Gurudwara for prayer, and there will be then we can write there will be procession take out by the people. Okay, then on the Christmas day people go to church and they wish a Merry Christmas. Okay, then wear new clothes and they sing Christmas carols. Like that way you can give your own answers. Okay, if you were take part in festival other than your own, which festival would you choose and why? So you can write your own answer. Other than your festival, which festival you choose? You can write Onam, or you can write any festival if you like. If I want to celebrate Eid, I can write Eid. Suppose I want to celebrate Eid, how I will write? I will go to mosque for pray. I will wear new clothes. I will wish Eid Mubarak each other. Okay, I will eat nice dishes. Okay, so like that way you can write your own answers. So this much only you have to study in this block. Hope you all understood the class. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.